Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a dumpling wrapper, full guide. Knead the dough for about 8 minutes until it is smooth and slightly elastic, then cover and rest for 30 minutes. Resting relaxes gluten and makes rolling easier. Divide dough into equal pieces, roll each into a log, and cut into 30 pieces. Keep the unused dough covered to prevent drying and floured while rolling. Start with a lightly floured surface and press each piece into a small disc. Hold the rolling pin with both hands and roll from the center outward, turning the dough to keep a round shape. Work quickly so the dough stays pliable, and aim for consistent thickness with a slightly thinner edge. Use fingertip pressure for control and dust with flour as needed to prevent sticking during rolling. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: Socks Life's Too Short for Cheap Socks go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a funny little upgrade that keeps your feet happy while you fold dumplings. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Spoon a measured amount of filling into the center and fold the wrapper over to form a half moon. Press the center gently to expel air, then pleat one side over the other to seal with small, even folds. Keep edges moist but not soggy, and pinch firmly at the end of the pleat line. Place finished dumplings on a floured tray to prevent sticking, and cook them immediately or freeze for later use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.